Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to unpublish a blog post in Hostinger website builder. I am now inside my website builder in Hostinger. To first go to blog. As you can see, these are my current published blog posts. To unpublish a blog post, you can click on these little three dots next to your blog post and hit unpublish. As you can see, it was public, now it is current. Don't forget to update your website. Another place where you can unpublish your blog post is from the blog post page. Just click on next to the status. As you can see, now it is public. Just click on it and it is in the draft status now. And always don't forget to update your website to see your changes live. And this is how to unpublish a blog post in Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.